The design brief of this project is Japandi theme. In the living area, I have chosen light wood tone and texture to provide a calming ambience. The main highlight of the living room is the wide space achieved by hacking 2 bedroom doors. We place the rattan TV console in the middle of the platform as an iconic feature for the room. We designed a shoes cabinet that mimics the blinds, giving it a comfortable, seamless look. To maximize space, we designed a wardrobe that also acts as a room divider. The wardrobe also has a hidden shelf that also serves as a dresser. Raised platform bed is reminiscent of the Japanese-inspired resting area space to be in line with the Japandi and minimalist theme. We spent a bit of effort and magic to create this amazing compact kitchen to fit all the essential items. The fridge, sink, water dispenser, washing machine, the dish rack, LED lighting are integrated in one harmonious space. All switches are conveniently lined up here. Here is what the owner Jackie has to say about working with us.
Okay, hi, I'm Jackie. My name is Jackie, and this place, my new place, is at Jalan Bukit Ho Swee, Bill Crescent. Okay, this place is a minimalist, Muji kind of Zen feel. I met Nine, yeah, my ID. Okay, and we had a good chat, first meeting. So because of the feel the vibes that he gave me, I felt very comfortable and at ease. So I decided to go with him. Throughout this entire renovation journey, I am very, like I said, I'm very thankful that I have him as my ID. Thank you.
Capacity.